Welcome all, welcome back to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. And in this video, I'm going to talk regarding VIT ranking, as VIT has released their rank. And many of you might have got very bad rank, like around 1 lakh, 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh, 50,000, and you are very much frustrated seeing the rank of private college like this. यार प्राइवेट कॉलेज की रैंक अगर इतना खराब होगा तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन तो होगी, ऑब्वियस सी बात है. Now you might be thinking whether engineering is a good choice for you or not, whether we should do engineering or not, क्योंकि यार मेरी तो हालत गंभीर है, ऐसा आप लोग सोच रहे होगे. You might be thinking यार इतना खराब रैंक क्यों, why? एग्जामिनेशन तो अच्छी गई थी. You might be thinking अब क्या करें, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सारे चीज की जवाब इस वीडियो में मिलेगी. If you think that this video is related to you, do watch this video till end. First of all, before starting the video, I'd like to introduce about the TopMed platform, where I and you can connect one-to-one in order to have a discussion regarding colleges, what exactly you should do, what is the best choice for you. So you can simply check the link in my bio or also in the description box. Over there you can book a slot if needed. Actually I will be covering all the things in video, but still if you think that you should connect one-to-one in order to get some insight regarding all these things, then you can connect me. There are 15-minute call, 30 minutes call, 1 hour call. Depending upon your choice, you can schedule a call with me. Let's start the video because without any बकवास. अब तो 1 लाख रैंक आ गई. अब तो 1 लाख रैंक आ गई. अब मैं क्या करूं? That might be a question. साला दिमाग खराब हो गया है, ये सोच रहे होगे अभी आप कि अब क्या करें. See, no need to worry. There are lots of other opportunities. There are lots of other options that are standing behind right now. Okay. अब 1 लाख रैंक आ गई तो उसको लेके पकड़ के मरना तो है नहीं. And yes, don't go and don't analyze yourself on VIT ranking. I know people who are studying in IIT Dhanbad, IIT Kharagpur, scoring 20,000 rank in VIT, 25,000 rank in VIT. Now you might be thinking यार ऐसा कैसे पॉसिबल. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं, मैंने देखा लाइव एग्जांपल्स है. Okay, because VIT ranking, I don't know what exactly it is. They might be saying that there is no negative marking, but if you are putting up all the question in the examination, automatically that is degrading your rank. That's a very fact thing. Because I've seen people, they have cleared IIT scoring 25,000 in VIT, and really this is not realistic. You might not be feeling realistic, but it's a realistic, and this is not a one case. I have seen multiple cases, 5 to 6 cases. Okay, so no need to worry and no need to take that rank on your head कि यार मैं इतना खराब हूँ. There are lots of other opportunity. Yes, VIT is a good option, but अब रैंक ही खराब है तो क्या कर सकते हो. Okay, now you might be thinking यार अब 1 लाख प्लस रैंक आ गई है, मेरे को VIT में एडमिशन मिलेगा कि नहीं. So as you all know, till 1 lakh rank you are eligible for Vellore and Chennai campus, and after 1 lakh rank you are not eligible for that. Actually VIT is having 4 campuses: Vellore, Chennai, Amravati and Bhopal. So 1 lakh you can in fact participate in the counseling of both the colleges, but after 1 lakh you need to only attend the counseling of Bhopal and Amravati. Now the branches might be concerned for you. So getting 1 lakh rank doesn't guarantee that you will be getting a good branches in terms of demanding branches in Vellore. Okay, you might not get what exactly you are expecting in Vellore. Okay, it will be like totally depending upon the crowd. In fact, you need to pay a high category fees if your rank is 60, 70, 80, 90,000. Okay, like 5th category you will be getting some circuital branches. So I would never suggest you that you should just run behind the name that अब VIT ही चाहिए चाहे मेरे को 5-6 लाख रुपया साल का देना पड़े. Why? When there are lots of other options. You can also try for Manipal, you can also try for KIT, you can also try for SRM, you can also try for other private PES university, you can also try for Thapar University. There are lots of state colleges, good state colleges where you can take admission. You should not be blind. In fact, you might be seeing the rank from the top means northern part of India, northern part, eastern part, western part of India are not up to the mark. Here the average candidate have not done good. Their ranks are means more than 1 lakh. You might have observed this thing. Actually this happened in VIT. Okay, actually the rank is not up to the mark, is not what you think that would be, and this might be frustrating you. So don't get into the dream that मेरे को VIT ही चाहिए. Other options है, try करो. Yes, if you think that VIT Amravati, VIT Bhopal is also giving you some good circuital branches on your demand, I am not forcing you to go for circuital branches. Actually it's a demanding branch. circuitous branches like CSE, IT, IC, EEE and all, and they are giving you in a good category fees like category 1 and all. You can think getting 1 lakh rank, but yes, unnecessary paying 5th category, taking into a VIT is not a choice. It's not an option, what I could say. Yes, अगर बहुत 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 पैसा आपके पास तो चलता है, चलो कुछ भी लेंगे यार, पैसा तो कंसर्न करता ही नहीं है. बट यस, यू हैव टू थिंक ऑल राउंड दैट क्या सही है क्या गलत है. एक्चुअली यू आर गेटिंग दिस कॉलेज इन ऑर्डर टू गेट एन एनवायरमेंट, ओके, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट, व्हाई टू गो देयर? ओके, देयर आर अदर ऑप्शन, ट्राई फॉर दैट. ओके, नाउ वीआईटी तो यहाँ से निकल रहा है. इनफैक्ट तब भी आपको वो चाहिए. भोपाल अमरावती की काउंसलिंग होगी 5th फेज में. आफ्टर 1 lakh रैंक यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट. Okay, participate in that. 6,000 counseling fees around. You can participate and check what exactly you are getting and in which category. एक category 1 and category 2 में अगर आपको मिलेगी तो मैं सजेस्ट भी करूंगा. After that, I would not recommend. I would not recommend. In fact, आपके पास बोरा भर के पैसा ना हो. Okay, there is a cases. Also, you can participate in multiple college examination right now. Comet के Unigoj ये सब पे participate करो. बैंगलोर के बहुत सारे colleges उसमें आती है and you can take admissions over there. Their campuses are good and their campus placements are also very good in compared to other private colleges. Bangalore की top college like RB, BMS, Ramaiah and all. If you are going there, you are definitely going to get a better exposure, better learning, better competition and all. So don't get limited to VIT right now. There are lots of n number of options right now open for you, and yes, you can definitely make it just by full dedication. अभी कुछ नहीं हुआ. मई में कॉमेंट के है, पेस की एग्जाम है, अभी मणिपाल आपकी शायद बची हुई होगी, KIT की एग्जाम की सेकंड फेज है. डोंट वरी, जस्ट पार्टिसिपेट इन ऑल दिस इवेंट. ओके, you will be definitely an option. But definitely if you are getting something good in great category fees, right? In general I am talking about जिनके पास बोरा भर के नहीं है, तो वो लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं VIT. चलो VIT चलते हैं. बट अदर के लिए मैं बोलूंगा मतलब वो लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं. कैटेगरी अच्छा मिल रहा है 1 कैटेगरी में, चलो भोपाल अमरावती में ही CSE मिल जा रहा है, नॉट अ बैड डिसीजन. बट यस, अननेसेसरी पागल होना इज अ बैड डिसीजन. कि आप एकदम मतलब कि बस पागल हो कि मेरे को देना है. आई डोंट नो वेयर माई पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग टू अरेंज दैट, बट आई हैव टू गिव दैट. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ अदर ऑप्शन, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू. अगर ऑप्शन ही नहीं है तो यार जाओ, मैं मना नहीं करूंगा, बट ऑप्शन है तो ऐसे पागल नहीं होना है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आई वुड ऑल्सो टेल यू, इफ यू नीड टू नो मोर रिगार्डिंग कॉलेजेस एंड ऑल, you can connect to me with on our TopMate 1-to-1 platform where we all can have a discussion, 1-to-1 discussion, not all, 1-to-1 discussion, and decide what exactly is good for you and what exactly is bad for you, whether you should appear or whether you should go to that college or not. I will be talking with you all. So if you want, I have actually tried to cover all the things, but in fact if you want personal assistant, you can book a call of 15 minute, 30 minute, 60 minute as per your requirement, and we will be talking on all the things. So let's keep the video till here. If you think this video was a little bit of also informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friends. We'll meet you soon with a new informative content. तब तक के लिए KIT भर दो, ऐसा कमेंट के भर दो, KIT भर दो, कमेंट के भर दो, पेस की एग्जाम भर दो, मणिपाल की एग्जाम भर दो, स्टेट कॉलेजेस की भी एग्जाम देते रहो. You will be definitely getting a good college. चलो मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में. बाय.